Be ready? 5 seconds to go. Start. In the complaint, the second respondent has stated that her husband is a practicing advocate in Tuticorin district for more than 25 years and that she has two children too. She further described herself as a divisional engineer rural in BSNL store. She states in her complaint that she was also inducted as a member of WhatsApp group which was intended to share the complaints and deficiencies in the service of BSNL and to rectify them and improve the quality of service too. The second respondent further stated in her complaint that as per the instructions of her superiors only, the recorded video of three of BSNL customers in relation to BSNL coverages was uploaded by her in the said WhatsApp group store. The allegations in the complaint is that the recorded conversation of BSNL customers uploaded by her is wrongly understood by the petitioners as one to degrade their efficiency and that they started reiterating the complainant and did this with an intention to humiliate her by posting the annoying emojis one after another store. It is further stated that the accused 1 and 2 and other petitioners have conspired together and posted two simply faces with tears through WhatsApp against the second respondent stop. Since the meaning of the emoji is laughing till you cry, the second respondent described the posting of crying smiley faces in the WhatsApp group as a most annoying thing intended to humiliate the second respondent stop in the complaint. She further referred to the further messages sent by some of the petitioners requesting all members to send the same smiley faces. It is further stated in the complaint that because of the posting of crying smiley faces against the second respondent, she was put to mental agony and hence she could not sleep and she was crying all the night in 31st July 2016 stop. In the complaint, the petitioners 1 and 2 were shown as persons who have induced other members to post crying smiley faces with the intention to humiliate the second respondent stop. The details of posting of such emojis by other petitioners was given in the complaint stop. A case was registered for offences punishable under section 4 of Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Harassment of Women Act 2002 section 3 within bracket 1 of scheduled castes and scheduled tribe prevention of atrocities amendment act 2015 and section 67 of information technology act stop challenging the first information report which is registered in crime number 206 of 2017 on the file of the first respondent. The above criminal original petition is filed